Installing Linux Ubuntu on a virtual machine. Ubuntu is one of the most popular Linux distributions widely used for development, testing, and server environments. Installing Ubuntu in a virtual machine allows you to experiment without modifying your main operating system. In this lesson, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of installing Ubuntu on a virtual machine. Step 1. Preparing your virtual machine. Before we begin, ensure you have the following: a hypervisor installed, VirtualBox, VMware Workstation, or Hyper-V. Ubuntu ISO file downloaded from the official website, /ubuntu.com/download. At least 2 CPU cores, 4 GB RAM, and 20 GB of disk space allocated to your VM. Creating a new virtual machine. 1. Open your hypervisor, VirtualBox, VMware, Hyper-V. 2. Click New to create a new virtual machine. 3. Name the VM Ubuntu VM and set the type to Linux. Select Ubuntu 64-bit as the version and click Next. Step 2. Configuring VM resources. Allocating CPU and RAM. 1. Assign at least 2 CPU cores for better performance. 2. Allocate at least 4 GB RAM, 8 GB recommended for smoother performance. Creating a virtual hard disk. 1. Choose Create a virtual hard disk now and click Next. 2. Select a disk format. VDI VirtualBox disk image for VirtualBox. VMDK virtual machine disk for VMware. 3. Select dynamically allocated, recommended, or fixed size, faster but takes up full space up front. Set the disk size to at least 20 gigabytes, then click Create. Step 3. Attaching the Ubuntu ISO. Open Setting. 2. Click on the empty optical drive, then select Choose a disk file. 3. Locate and select the downloaded Ubuntu ISO file. 4. Click OK to save the settings. Now, your VM is ready to boot from the Ubuntu installation media. Step 4. Installing Ubuntu. 1. Start the VM and wait for the Ubuntu installer to load. 2. Choose Try Ubuntu if you want to test it before installing, or select Install Ubuntu to proceed. 3. Select your keyboard layout and click Continue. 4. Choose Normal installation recommended or Minimal installation for a lightweight system. 5. Check download updates while installing Ubuntu and install third-party software recommended for additional drivers. Click Continue to proceed. Partitioning the virtual hard disk. 1. Select Erase disk and install Ubuntu Safe for VMs. 2. Click Install Now and confirm changes. Step 5. Setting up Ubuntu. 1. Choose your time zone and click Continue. 2. Create a username and password for your system. 3. Wait for Ubuntu to install. The process may take 5 to 10 minutes. 4. Once complete, restart the virtual machine. 5. When prompted, remove the installation disk by going to VM Settings, Storage, and unmounting the ISO file. Step 6. Installing guest additions or VMware tools. To improve VM performance, install additional tools. For VirtualBox, 1. Click Devices, insert Guest Addition CD image. 2. Open the CD drive inside Ubuntu and run the installation script. Restart the VM after installation. For VMware, 1. Click Player, Manage, Install VMware Tools. 2. Extract and run the installation script inside Ubuntu. 3. Start the VM to apply changes. These tools enable full screen mode, clipboard sharing, and better performance. Final steps. Your Ubuntu virtual machine is now ready to use. You can update your system by running sudo apt update and an upgrade. Install additional software using the Ubuntu Software Center or terminal. Take snapshots to save your VM state before making changes. In the next lesson, we'll explore installing macOS in a virtual machine, optional, and managing VM snapshots.